My name's Anthony Myers,
And I'm Abby Myers.
and we're with KCBR. Today we'll be talking to you about basement flooring and kind of the different options and stuff there is for basement flooring. A couple different things. There is tile, vinyl floor, and carpet. Most of the time in our basements we do a vinyl floor product. It's going to be 100% waterproof. It's going to be indestructible whenever you have kids, water spills, any of that stuff whenever it comes to flooring.
I think that's just kind of the direction we've headed to with like design. You're seeing less of carpet now. You can, put some nice rugs down there to still make it cozy, but it just has a really pretty feel to it that kind of feels like you're upstairs too.
Yeah, and there's a lot of different varieties when it comes to vinyl floor. They have a really good wood veneer vinyl floor that we use quite a bit from MSI. And there's also another commercial grade flooring. It's through MSI. It's our Prescott collection. That's going to be a commercial grade flooring, and we use that quite a bit as well. And then you have kind of your Cyrus. That's your higher end kind of residential grade. That's still a good product. The difference with the vinyl floor is going to be the wear layer and the thickness and the kind of bounce once it comes to the vinyl floor. There's a couple different things that we do quite a bit on vinyl flooring. We'll do a underlayment whenever it comes to kind of making it more a solid kind of surface to walk over. Another thing with vinyl floor that's a good kind of thing that underlayment kind of takes away that clicking noise. That's one of the things that we always kind of bring up to our clients is one of the downfalls to vinyl floor is once you walk across it, you have a little clicking noise, and sometimes that underlayment will eliminate that clicking noise once it comes to that. But it's still a good product. That's nothing to kind of steer away from whenever it comes to basement flooring. One of the good things about carpet once it comes to in your basement, it does sometimes give you a little bit more homey feeling whenever you install that. As Abby mentioned, sometimes you can incorporate kind of that more homey feeling by staging furniture, kind of larger area rugs and those kind of things.
I think with basements, we definitely look at all options. If you haven't checked out our galleries, whether it's on Facebook, social media, Instagram, or our website, House account, we have so many basement options on there. So you get it's nice to be able to just look through stuff and start to get an idea of like your style too, what you like. And the nice thing is with us too, we have so many samples of different product here in our showroom. So we make it a really fun experience when we're taking you through that. There's nothing to stress about when you're working with KCBR. We're going to talk through all the options you have kind of going through your head, bring our experience, and we'll bring it to life.
Yeah, and our in-house design team will get to know kind of how you're going to utilize your basement if you have kids, if you guys have parties, and that sometimes kind of goes back and forth of like what product we present you with for your basement. So we're really going to get to know how you guys are going to utilize your basement, what your day-to-day looks like down there. Sometimes we have clients that utilize their basement space for an extra bedroom, and so sometimes if you're utilizing that, carpet is kind of a little bit better, kind of more homey feeling.
When it comes to thinking about a basement project, whether you're finishing the basement or remodeling, and you get hung up on like one thing, like, man, what would I do about the flooring, or if it would flood or anything like that, call us. Like, we have the resources, we have the knowledge, we have the experience, so we're here to answer questions as well. But we'd love nothing more to, of course, work with you to bring that basement to life, and we work really hard on client experience as well as a beautiful product. So we enjoy
talking with you.